Hey boys and girls, hi. Today we're working on Chromebooks. Tomorrow we won't be using Chromebooks, but I want you to be able to know how to determine the volume of different shapes and sizes, different objects that you're going to be working with. So we're going to learn about the area, we're going to learn about volume, and we're also going to be doing volume with different shapes like cylinders and cones and spheres. So I will show you what our objectives are, and then we'll go from there. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, as you can see, here are our goals and objectives. So the question is, well, what are we going to be doing, Mr. Ferris? What we are doing is we are converting the measurements of objects using both a standard measurement system and the metric system. So you're going to find out about millimeters, inches, yards, meters, centimeters. And then how are we doing this? We'll be using different measuring devices and tools to measure objects within a given measurement system. We will convert and relate those volumes and those measurements by adding and multiplying the different measurements. You can't have negative numbers, so everything's going to be positive because we're looking at volume or we're looking at area. Okay, and why are we doing this? Because when you are designing and creating sophisticated objects in the future, it's critical that you're going to be able to provide accurate measurements, enabling your team in another part of the world to understand your concept and build the same object or specifics, build the same object to specific specifications. Think of providing directions to your house. Do you understand the importance of providing accurate directions and how someone could easily get lost? Or, in this case, build something that's inaccurate. Okay, and then the additional questions I'm going to ask you are, how are the units of measure within a standard system related? And what are the attributes of two-dimensional figures, and how are they classified? And how can you find the volume of a solid figure composed of two non-overlapping right rectangular prisms? We'll go over that. Think of stairs. Okay, good luck, guys. Okay, and here's a student working with a Chromebook, and they're learning about squares, how to measure them, and how to find the area, and then how to find the volume. So I'm showing you that the